Stiff or achy joints during menopause? This practice will help you move with more ease. Hi, I'm Pritpal and this is Daily Yoga Solutions. Subscribe for more practical yoga you can use every day. Let's begin with gentle movement. Bring your hands to your heart. We're going to move with our breath. Inhale, raise your arms up, high prayer. Exhale, bring your arms out to side. Inhale, bring your arms side and up. And exhale, hands to heart. Your gaze is following your hands, so inhale, look up. And exhale, look center, arms down. Inhale, raise your arms up, look up. And exhale. Let's do that again. Use your ocean breath throughout your practice. Bring your hands in front of you, crisscross your wrists. Inhale, circle your arms side and up, look up again, crisscross your hands, and exhale, bring your arms shoulder level, palms are facing up. Inhale, look up again, crisscross, and exhale, bring it in front of you and crisscross. Let's do 2 more times. And 1 more. And exhale. Every breath brings in vitality and circulation. And relax. Bringing your arms to side again. Inhale, lift your arm up. And exhale, bring it into a side bend. Inhale, swivel your arms. And exhale, side bend. Use nice long breaths. And then bring it down. Coming into a twisting pose, hook your right hand on the outside of your left knee and thigh. Bring your other arm behind you. Inhale, lengthen the spine, and exhale, twist. Keep your belly button pulled in, shoulders are relaxed, and hold this twist. Breathe. And then inhale, unwind your torso, hands back to your knees. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Inhale, nice tall spine, and exhale, twist to your right. Your left hand is hooking on the outside of your right thigh. Spine is nice and tall. Breathe in and exhale. Bring your back shoulder back. Hold the twist here, breathe. Inhale, coming back to center. Bring your hands in front of you. Your elbows are gently bent. You can make a loose fist. Inhale, bring your wrists up. And exhale, down and towards you. Inhale, move your hands up. And exhale, down and towards you. You're feeling the stretch in your wrists. Taking our joints through full range of motion. You may practice with open eyes, or you may practice with closed eyes. With closed eyes, you increase the healing capabilities of your body. Make the movement very mindful, synchronized with your breath, and let's reverse that. My body moves with increasing ease. And then let go, relax. Moving to our elbow joint, you can bring your arms out to side. Again, you can keep your fist loose. Inhale, just moving the lower arms, and exhale as you move the lower arms down. Inhale on the way up, and exhale on the way down. Two more. And let's reverse that. I rebuild my resilience from within. And then relax. Moving on to our shoulder joint. Arms come to side, fingertips touching the shoulders, and now bringing your elbows to center. Inhale, reach up with your elbows, and exhale, bring them as much back, as much down, and as much forward. You're leading with your elbows, making big circular movements, and exhale down. I nourish my joints through mindful movements. And let's reverse that. By taking our joints through full range of motion, we are essentially lubricating our joints, bringing ease into our joints. Two more like that. And then release. At this point, we're going to come on to our knees and hands. Option to place a blanket underneath your knees. Your knees are directly under the hips. Your wrists are directly under the shoulders. Your index fingers are straight. Eyes of the elbows are pointing forward. Inhale, drop the belly, lift the tailbone up, chin up. And exhale, round the spine, tuck the tailbone in, chin in, and pull the belly button in. Three more at your own pace. And then come into a flat back. Bringing your hands towards you. Your fingers are pointing towards you at this point. And we are going to inhale and hold in this cow pose. Breathe here. And you're going to gently rock back and forward. Really stretching your wrists, your forearms. And two more like that. And one more. And release that. We're going to swing the legs to one side and now sit in what's called the staff pose. You can rock your hips side to side, ground your sit bones. Your fingers are pointing back, your spine is nice and tall. And we are going to work with our ankles. Inhale, bring your feet towards you, and exhale, point them away from you. Inhale towards you, and exhale away. Now relax your ankles. Moving on to our toes. Inhale, stretch your toes towards you, and exhale away from you. And one more. And now gently relax. We're going to lie down on our backs. At this point, you can bring your hands right behind your knees, and we're going to take our feet through full circular movement. So inhale, bring your feet towards you, and exhale away from you. We are working our ankles. We're taking our ankles through full range of motion. 2 more like that. The slower you go, the better it will be. And now let's reverse it 5 times. And then relax. Move your hands down to the center of your thighs. And now we're going to bring our lower legs to 9 o'clock position. Inhale, bring your legs up, and exhale, bring them to your right, and then all the way to the 9 o'clock position. Keep making these circular movements with your lower legs. Inhale on the way up, and exhale on the way down. At this point, we are working our knee joint. We're taking our knee joint through full range of motion. And now let's reverse it. Remember, throughout your practice, you are using the ocean breath, breathing with the movement. One more. And now relax. Place your hands on your knees. Inhale, bring them away. And then wide, and exhale, squeeze your knees towards your chest. Inhale, away and wide, and exhale, squeeze in. Let's do 3 more times. And now reverse it. Inhale, take it wide and away, and then squeeze them in. Inhale, wide and away, and exhale, squeeze your knees towards your chest. 3 more at your own pace. And 1 more. and then slowly release it. Bring your legs out. Bring them as wide as the mat, coming into Shavasana. Your arms are stretched out at first, and then relax your shoulders, release your lower back. Release the back of the head into the mat. Completely soften and melt the shoulders. Arms are relaxed. Upper back, lower back, buttocks relaxed. Chest, belly, hips relaxed. Thighs, knees relaxed. Lower legs, ankles, and feet relaxed. Just be fully aware of your body lying down on the floor in a relaxed state, simply breathing in and out. Let your body absorb the practice that you've just completed. Pay attention to your joints. How are they feeling now? You can stay here for as long as you wish.